Okay, good morning, everyone. This today is a Friday morning. As usual, you may watch the replay at any time you like and do the practice whenever it suits you, whenever you can do it. Just remember that whatever you do, it's not only about the movement, but also the way you approach the movement. Okay, so those principles of um, not being performance oriented, not goal oriented, but be in the present moment, in the body, and taking it for as it is and moving on from that. And saying that today is actually a slow day for myself and for the ladies who are online with me. We feel really like, ugh, okay. So we're going to have a more possibly a slower practice that we've had for the rest of the week. So let's start, okay? We're still going to go, take with you possibly a blanket if you have sensitive knees, because we'll be resting on our knees for a little while. And then that long strap, that long scarf, we may use it. That's an option. Okay, come and stand in your own, on your 2 feet, okay? Simply on your 2 feet. Let me close the door. That's it. All right, let's start. So picking up the 10 toes, lifting them up towards the air, opening up the toes, allow actually to feel the texture of possibly it's cool, possibly it's warm, but a temperature running through the toes. There's a temperature shift when you open up the toes. Just become aware of it and keep those toes open a little up to the air a little bit longer. Give them a chance to lengthen and then drop the little toe, the smallest of the toe, down to the mat. And then gently the second smallest. And then it'd be the mid toe and the very hard toes are not easy to move. And the big toe. Beautiful. And then we're going to lift up that small toe and pick up all the other toes, sorry, and the big toe comes last. So with the big toe last, you should have, you should feel really your knees close side by side. We're really working on the inside out here. And then drop the big toe and all the little toes. So like we're playing the piano, okay? And you see the way I'm playing with my hands? Feel free to play with your fingers. The anatomy of your hands and feet is pretty similar. And arthritis, it really hit the feet and the hands. That's it. And just keep shifting. Good. And drop this. Come up, pick up the right foot, the right heel, and come on the ball of your foot, and then the left heel. Okay, awakening here, the ball of the feet, and putting a bit of pressure. See the height? And I go down, and I go high, and I go down, high, down, high, down. Building up strength. Good. Okay, 2 feet together, up, slow, slow, slow. Inhale through the nose, down, down, down through the nose. Inhale, and down slow, down slow, down slow, down slow. And release the right foot. Bring it behind you. Sole of the foot is up towards the ceiling. Bend both of the knees. Don't put any pressure on that right leg, okay? Have your body weight on your standing leg. So you can actually lift this leg, okay? But we don't want to lift it because we're actually lengthening from the knee to the front of the shin, the front of the leg, the front of the ankles, all the way to the toes here. Good. And then bend a little bit more. And as you bend, don't allow the torso to fall forward. Align, align, align. Keep beaming the light in front of you, not down to the floor. Beautiful. And pick it up. plant the heel in front of you, okay? Soft knee, and then come and sit again, sit again. And the deeper is your sitting, so the deeper you bend your knee, the more you will be lengthening the back of your leg. Keep the toes up and then foot down. Inhale up, foot down. Few more times. Down, up, down, and up, and stay there and go deeper, deeper, deeper. So you bring your torso closer to your thigh. Ooh, and release. Okay, let's repeat all of this with the other side. So let's go up and down for a little while. 1, 2, 3, last one, 4, and shift all of your body weight to the right leg, standing legs, and step out. Yes, here, and bend. Okay, stay there. Be as present with your front foot as with your back foot. They have two different roles here, but be present in the two of them. Good, go a bit deeper. Keep the torso upright. And lift up again. That back leg is going to swing to the front. Toe up, soft knee, and come and sit deeper into your standing leg. So knee flexes a bit more. And then drop the sole of the foot down and pick it up. And drop and pick it up. Drop, pick it up, drop, pick it up. Beautiful. Stay with the toes up and go a bit deeper. Ooh, you might feel it on both legs for different reasons. Good, and inhale, come up. Excellent, come to the center of your mat. And just give yourself a little shimmy by bending one knee at a time, just releasing the muscular tension we've just built up. Good, and then come on the outside. You know this one. We pick it up gently and we drop. Be gentle, okay? It's not a we really mind all the tendons and the ligaments of the feet, of the ankles here. So be aware of what you're doing. And then inside. And inside, we're not going to lift it up. We bring the knees together. We're really on the edge, on the inner edge of the foot. Good. And that has us ready. Okay. So with that, feet to knees, bit of awakening around the leg has been done. Okay, drop it from side to side. We're going to bring the hip, the pelvic bone into the play. Pubic bone, tailbone, forward, back. So we are tilting the pelvis, not this, not that, okay? It's a small movement. We don't want to put pressure in the lower back. Good. And once you have your front back, you go back to the side, 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 front to the side, to the back, to the side, front to the side, to the back, to the side, front. And when this one ends, we're going to reverse the direction. Front, opposite side, to the back, side, front, left side, side. Good. Okay, coming nice and wide, and just with a gentle bounce. You know I love those poses. So sometimes allow the body to shift. You know, make it is not a direction you want to go. You allow it to happen. Okay, we're opening up the front of the hips here, doing this. And then tilting Pointing toes point up, down, opposite side. Down, opposite side. Okay, and squat. Up and squat. Up with the hands. Inhale, down. Inhale, exhale, down. And opposite side. Down and circle up. Beautiful. And back to watch out. Side, squat, side, squat, side, squat, side, squat. And that is it. We're going to go take our hands onto the inside of our legs, heel of the hands resting on the top of the muscle there on the thigh and going down. So my left shoulder drops toward the center and I look towards my right and I come back. Down, down, down. Left one. Down, down, down. Last one. Down. Going back to the first side and we are holding the pose and breathing for 4. Okay, take nice, beautiful long breath through the nose, in and out through the nose. Okay, bend the knees a little bit more. See if you can go a bit deeper, opening up the back there, around the shoulder. Beautiful. Inhale, come back to center. Let's repeat this on the other side. Release the jaws. Beautiful. And come back to center. Okay, keep your legs nice and wide. Have your toes pointing more towards the screen. And then we're just going to slide my right hand is sliding towards my knee and back up. Slide, back up. Slide, back up. Slide. Beautiful. Opposite side. One more. And back to the first side. Slide, stay there, and then circle the arm. Circle, 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 and reverse the direction. Remember not to have your torso forward. We are in a side bending. We've created that beautiful line, and we're sticking to it. Beautiful. Come up this way, and down this way, and up, down, up, and down, reversing. Drop the hands on the left and slide down. For 4, a 2, a 3. Last one, 4. Next time we go, we stop moving. No more slide, and we just add on circle, circle. Look up to the ceiling. It's going to help you to keep your torso in line. And down. Reverse the direction. 3 and 4. Come up and out, up, out, up, out, up, out. Beautiful. Soften the knees and reach, 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 reach. Opposite side. Reach, 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 reach. Beautiful. Circle up the shoulder. Forward to the ear, to the back, down. And really, it's not the arms moving, it's the shoulders. Beautiful. Moving your head from side to side, releasing the jaws. and forward. Look down, look up, down, look up, and really look, eyes leading the movement. Beautiful. And release. Okay. Taking that scarf or that strap for a last preparation of our dancing bird. And then we'll go down onto our knees. So whether you have chosen a scarf or a strap, you wrap it up around where the ball of your foot is, not the arches. Really important. If you put it too low where the arches are, you're actually damaging your arches because they're not there. They've no flesh and they're quite tender. Okay. So we take the and we just pick it up. Okay, so that's good. You can do that practice without the scarf to build more strength. But here this morning, we're about opening the hip to the side. Beautiful. Take the opposite hand and bring it across to the opposite side. Two more. Beautiful. Change your hands again, and we're going to circle it. So I'm holding the scarf, okay? But I'm not pulling hard on it to lift my leg. So watch out if you're trying to put more strength or carrying to go higher, you might actually be building up a lot of contraction, which are completely counterproductive. Change your hand hold again, opening up the opposite arm. Okay, and then just go and look towards the hand. Beautiful. Oh, feel that work in the balancing. Not easy. And come back. Release. Oh, feeling the right hip versus the left hip, right leg versus the left leg. All right, let's do the same work on the opposite side. Pick it up and drop it. Up and drop. Up and drop. Last one. And drop to the side. Down. 2, 3, 4, and back to center. I know I'm not doing exactly the same as the other side. It's completely okay. I'm changing my hand hold and going across, 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 and change your hold again. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change hold, hand hold, sorry. And then once more. Across, extend your arm and look towards your hand. And as usual, it's okay to fall. It's okay not to be able to do it and to be just there without the hands, for instance. Find your happy medium. Good, and come back. Right, and release. Ah, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So it's open and close. It's not this one, it's this one. Oh, shake it, shake it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. Okay, tensions are dissipated. I come and I sit. So I'm going to show you quickly. So there is a preparation to the gate pose, okay, which is this one. And then we're going to go into our gate pose. From the gate pose, we go to the half circle. Okay? From the half circle, we go back to gate pose. Half circle again. To the moon. Down, half circle. Gate pose. And the gate opens up and the bird shows. So my arms are my wings. Take the picture in your garden. You might have seen a little bird drinking water. And as it does, the beak, the beak dives into the water and the tail comes up. Okay, so think of that. You are the bird. So down, 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 and down, and up. Just that one more time slow. Inhale, look up, exhale. Down, 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 and inhale up. Beautiful. And then we fly away. Okay. Preparation of the gate pose. Toes up. Inhale. Exhale. Go into my gate pose. And my foot is going to drop down. I'm going to shift into my half circle pose. And I come back up into gate pose. So feel the work here. And down back to the half circle, adding on a half moon. Dropping a half moon, going to half circle, to gate. The gate opens up and the bird flows in and down, 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 and pick it up. And it's going for another drop of water. Down, 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 and pick it up. Beautiful. And the gate close. Oh, and dropping. A breath or two. Just trying to integrate the new information there. Not thinking it, just being open to be able to, the more relaxed we are, the more the body has a chance to pick up the new. So that phrase, we are ourselves, we are our own enemies. It's exactly that. So don't think it. Okay, and let's start again. Preparation of the gate pose. My toes are up. Going to this gate pose, my foot slide close on the floor, and I slide back. Ooh, going into a big pose of my half circle, coming back all the way to my gate pose. So the half circle is as if we're going for a walk and we're turning back. Okay, here, watch out. We're going to go into the moon, half moon. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Bit more. Beautiful. Down to our half circle. Oh, to come back up into our gate. Remember, the door opens, the bird flows in, and we go down. Very small. So use your breath here to really bring yourself back up. Use your core, back body, front body, side body. Oh, yes. And we come back. Release. Okay. So we're going to do it once more on either side. So nothing else is moving, there are no more poses. There might be a slight variation into the half moon, but that's about it. Okay, so starting with this side. Okay, no, opposite side, apologies. We just played that with that side. So preparation of gate pose. Find your knee, find that lengthening. It's all about side bending, isn't it? We've prepped them up, we warm up the body. Inhale, and let's make the most of it. So from the toe up, foot comes down, and we slide down our legs into the gate pose. With your next inhale, shifting to the other side, dropping your hands, coming into that beautiful long side bending. Beautiful. You can look up to the ceiling. And we're going to go back into the gate pose. So recruit all your inner strength. Know where you want to go. And big inhale to bring you back to the gate pose. Inhale back toward the ceiling. Exhale down into half circle. Watch out here. We inhale, we come up with our half moon. And we drop the legs. And we pick it up. Two more. Last one. Beautiful. Hold this, hold this, hold this. Flex the foot. The flying foot is flexed, not pointing. Good. Big inhale, going back into the side, half circle, sorry. And from the half circle to the gate. Breath flows in as we open the gate. And down, and up. And down, 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 down. Keep drinking, hold that pose. Be Grace, Grace is here present with us in the presence of the bird. Recruit all of your inner strength to come back. And closing the gate. Beautiful. Okay. Let's reproduce all that on the other side. I'm always confused with which side. No, I think it's good. Inhale. So toe up. Preparation of my gate. Down into the gate pose. Transitioning. Inhale to the ceiling. Exhale. Transitioning into my half circle. So we're going to go back into gate. So recruit all your intention, your strength. You know your direction. Inhale up and down. Good. And out again. Half circle. Watch out. Inhale and we pick up the two limbs. Flex the foot and drop the leg. Down, up, down, up, down, up. One more. Beautiful. Hold it, hold it, hold it, and drop into your half circle. Inhale into the gate pose. Open the gate, birds flows in. Fine, really. So this movement is created from the two shoulder blades. It's one of the primordial wave that the body can do. And then just down, 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 and drink. And come back. Inhale, look up, exhale, drink for the last time.
Hello?
Yeah. And come back. Beautiful. And release. And we're simply going to close the gate. Oh, and this having curled the toes, come back onto your standing pose. Meet yourself in Tadasana, which is the mountain pose. Feet are hip width apart, knees are soft. We connect, we ground to the earth. And we center ourselves on that beautiful energetic column. And we receive. So to receive, I open my hands soft part of my arms and palms facing forward. Inhale, look up, and exhale. Bring it all back to that center, to that Shushunaka column, channel. That's the word I was looking for. Soften the knees. Make sure to be present on the whole of your feet. Align your pelvis. That's how we're finishing here. So that it's neither anteriorly or posteriorly tilted. So that your spine can sit beautifully on it. Beautiful. Big breath in, last one. And wrap yourself up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Bend the knees and come down. Beautiful. We're going to close the recording. And feel free to go into that quiet space for a few minutes.